Hey guys, Ryder Dog here. How you guys doing? I'm down in the doghouse. You can see my little grandson in the background. He's trying to hide there. Hey, Bear, what are you doing back there, boy? He says hi. Hey guys. I'm in the doghouse, of course, like I always am, and I've got a product for you that I just got in to evaluate. And these are some security cameras that come in a 2-pack, and they're full HD. They've got 4MP. They work on the 5G or the 2.4G network, so they'll go either way. They're wireless cameras, which is cool, and they use solar. So cool. They have a solar panel, so they stay charged all the time. You just need to make sure that they have a long cord. That's about probably at least 10 feet of cord, so you can remote the solar panel to make sure it gets plenty of light to keep your camera powered. Now, these cameras are cool because you can put these up just about anywhere. Here, I've got them plugged in here. You can plug them in if you want to get the initial charge going so you can set them up. The setup is very simple. It has a QR code right here, very easy. There's where your power goes, and these are completely water resistant. They're weather resistant, and that's how they do right there. The 360-degree camera, tips up, tips down, will go all the way around. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And it tracks things. So very neat. There's your antennas. They work on Wi-Fi. Also, they have a two-way communication in them and a light too. So, and these are full HD night vision and daytime, full color. And they have a great picture. I'll give you some screenshots after I'll show you where I'm going to set them up, and I'll get them set up, and then we'll do some daytime and some nighttime shots. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up so we can see that, and we see the bird feeders and things. And then I'm going to set one up facing my front yard towards my gates, my security gates. And we'll get that going. I'll show you where I'm going to put them up. I'll show you some screenshots of the app, and we'll go from there, guys. I shall return. We'll get a setup, and then we'll do some screenshots. Okay, you guys can see, this is the nighttime HD full color. This is nighttime. It's about 9 o'clock at night. And this thing, look at how good. This is my bird feeder over here. There's another one over here. This is the one that always comes to right here. What I can do now is use this camera and a two-way speaker to run off the critters that come to these bird feeders before I let my dogs out. Very cool. All right, that's what I think.